love a T-Rex? For two reasons. One, when I was in community dance company, that was always a move we did, and for Charlene and Rachel, we love a T-Rex. But we love the T-Rex in a different way to why I use T-Rexes these days. The problem with a lot of dancers is they don't use the underneath of their arms and their back. So you sort of end up a little bit T-Rexy. So it's not really a positive if I call you a T-Rex, but it is absolutely changeable. So later on in our series, Sam's going to give us some exercises for lats, triceps, and just general placement of the arms. You just put your arms in the nice one, please, Lauren. Cool. If I went to push Lauren's arms, they're not going to move. A lot of people will just leave you this soggy T-Rex. Now, it's not just in turns where I see a lot of soggy arms, it's in all dance movements. And transitions are not just with your legs, they're with your arms too. So, Lauren is going to show us an exercise across the floor, and I want you just to have a focus. The first time she's going to do it with really nice supported arms, okay?
Sometimes everything is wrong. Now it's time to sing along.
Okay, so Lauren had supported arms the whole time. A lot of the time I see this sort of T-Rex action happen, and everything just looks a bit soggy, and the arms have absolutely no purpose. So if the biomechanics of the movement isn't extended from the shoulder down the arm, they're not going to be optimum force, so then when you get to that attitude turn, it's likely it's not going to go well. So Laura, can you try it with like soggy, unnecessary arms? Unnecessary arms. That would probably like hyperextended like mine, kapow. Yeah, always working on the strength of that back, but for now, just give me legs and a nice little face, but no arms.
Sometimes everything is wrong. Now it's time to sing along.
If you're a dancer, or you think you look like that as you're dancing, when you have your arms out, I want you to imagine you have two grapefruits and you have them under your armpits. Maybe don't try that at home. Okay, so in this position it's really obvious where the grapefruits are, but take it out to second. Still, also the crossover when we do this, there's space in the arm. This just shows that arabesque line, like jewelry. Yeah, really show the space in the arm, and then this transition here, the space comes here as you enter the shin. Keep going. As you go into this next bit, there is no moment that the arm shoots down and that touches the body. She continues finding space within